Okay, so now we're going to talk subtraction, and we're actually going to use a model first with expanded form. So I'm going to first draw these. Actually, I'm only going to draw the largest number first. I'm only going to draw that one. I'm not going to draw both because I'm not combining this. I'm actually breaking this apart, okay? I'm breaking 821 apart into two different numbers. And so I'm going to draw 800. And then 21, okay? I can also, down here, I'm going to put it in an expanded form so you guys can see. So 800 plus 20 plus 1 subtracted from 460 and 8, okay? So when I'm looking at this, obviously here, I know that something's going to have to happen because I cannot subtract 8 from 1. That cannot happen. This isn't possible. So what do I do? Okay, so I need to subtract 8, but I only have 1 to subtract. So I actually have to go to the tens place. So when we subtract, we always have to start in the ones place no matter what. So I'm going to take this 10, I'm going to mark it out, and I'm going to give myself 10 ones. Okay, so now I have 11 ones total, and I can take away 8 from that. So I can take away this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and so I'm left with 3 ones. What that would look like here is I would take this 10, this would become 10, and now this would become 11, and I can do 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. Okay, so now we go to the next place value. I know I'm going to have a problem here because I cannot take 60 from 10. So I know I'm going to have to take this 100. I'm going to have to break it apart, and I'm going to take that, and I'm going to break that apart into 10 tens. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so I have to take away 60 of those, and now I have the ability to do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have 5 left there. Okay, so what happens here down here is I go to this 800, and this becomes a 700, and I add 100 here. Well, I know I can take a 110 minus 60 is going to be 50. Okay, and then I have to take away 400. So this was regrouped. So that one's already gone. I'm taking 4 additional hundreds away. So 2, 3, 4. So 700 minus 400, I'm left with 300. So my answer is 353. And just like here, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 5 tens, and I have 3 ones. Okay. Obviously, the pictorial model can get a little messy, and so that's why I wanted to show you using expanded form so that you could see how you're going to the next place value to get what you need from there. If you started in the hundreds and you did 800 minus 400, that's fine. But then when you get to the 20, what do you have to do? And so I like working from the ones place to the hundreds place, not the reverse. In addition, it really doesn't matter where you start, but in subtraction, you need to start in the ones place.